Hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a intro/outro to your YouTube with iMovie on iOS or Android. I think this works for them both. So first you have to go to trailer on the screen. Then I'll go to one of these retro things here. Then when you've got it up, it's okay. Press create. I think that's from a clan channel. I think that should be. Yeah, you go to it. You press create, and then you go to studio name and put whatever you want for that. Like please subscribe, something like that for your outro or intro, like you name. So go to logo style, and you can pick out any logo style you want. Now I pick coloured bars, but for my outro I'll pick trees. And then you go press done, because you're done there. Don't need to go to storyboard or nothing. Then you go to export. Okay? So you go to the exporting button. When you've gone to the exporting button, you need to press save image or save video. And when you've done that, it will export, obviously, in 1080p, I'd say. But, yeah, I'm going to have to keep you entertained for this last few seconds while it's doing its thing. All these screen recordings won't have any sound in the background, so when I played my intro, you wouldn't have been able to hear it at all. Yeah, it's just a glitch in the sound in the camera for these videos. I'm very sorry about that. I hope that will be fixed in the next few months. I think it will. When I get a computer, I'll record with that. So, yeah. So, it's nearly exported. It's like quarter or half away through. Something like that. Yeah, I'm just drinking Coke. With water inside it. I got, yeah, that. And it's nearly done. When it's done, we will put it. Oh god, that's leaking. My water bottle's leaking. Oh god. We'll fix it later. And yeah. So that is the exporting bit nearly done. Oh, we've exported it before us. So, yay, right. So, it's been exported. Now we have to go right to the camera roll. Now, camera roll's here, right. Go to the video on the right. Yeah. And then you go to edit. And then you go to edit, yeah. And then you grab the bit. You trim to the black when your intro's finished, like nearly here. There. Yeah, there. Now press done. Trim original. After you've done that, ready. Go get YouTube Studio or something. I'll post it with iMovie and get it. Yeah. That's all it is. So, yeah. Bye, guys.